How to create a channel in Telegram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily create a Telegram channel. So first thing, just head over to your Telegram application, and once you're inside here, just click on this pencil button over here just above the camera section, as you can see at the bottom of my screen, and just tap on it. And from over here all you have to do is just click on this new channel option and simply give your channel name. So let me say, and once you provide your name, just provide your description as well. And once you do all of that, just hit this right button at the top, and you can also choose your channel to be your private or public. So if you put your channel to public, it can be found in search and anyone can join them. So private channels can only be joined via invite link. So depends upon what you want. And you can also provide this public link which will be visible when you send this link to anyone to join your channel, just like this. And give your name, give your valid name, and just click on this right button over here. And you can also add your subscribers or your friends to here, just like this, and click on next, and you will have successfully created your channel on Telegram.
So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.